Alright, well, even me, or even I, well, however, even I think this is funny. I mean, it must be like one of the ugliest loudspeakers I ever created, I guess. Although, well, no, I think I created uglier, but... So I built another two of those panels because that was the plan. And this is one of the configurations I wanted to try out. So it's a kind of a doppelito all the way. The other method would be like switching these 90 degrees and you get a long loudspeaker. Also an option, but I thought this would be funny as well. I'm not sure. I think if you close the space here and here, it works better for low end as well as the space underneath here. I mean, it's a waste of low end if you do not close them. Like some Daptique and some magnerizers do, is waste low end because you could use the whole floor as a baffle. And in this case, I do not just like using magnerizers. I mean, people are really fond of their magnerizers. It's all fine with me, but your bass would extend lower, or at least have a little bit more output if it would hit the floor. But anyhow, so if I make something that looks like this, but not quite like this, then it would hit the floor. Well, anyhow, the panels are in parallel. So I gain 6 dB and distortion is lower, of course, as well, because they don't have to work as hard as one pedal does. What else is there to say? I put some quick dampening on the back. You can see it hanging here, flopping around. I did not take a look at the resonance of the new panels, which are the bottom ones in this case. And I made this frame with some old side pieces from, I think, an SMG 1 or MMG 1, I don't know, some old magnet pens, and apparently I saved all the usable material in my second shed I have with all kinds of weird stuff that I never use. So this would not be something, you know, this is not how I want it to look, but this is the fastest way of testing if this works for me, yes or no. Let's play 3 tunes, why not? There's not much to see, I think. I mean, the same panels, but, you know, 4 of them instead of 2. Oh, one person asked, how big can you make them? Well, I can make them really large, but on the other hand, you can also like stack multiple of these. So I could make them a little bit larger so they reach lower, and then you could stack whatever, how many you would like, or make a huge one. So this width is the maximum width I can make it, but the length could be whatever you want. So yeah, let's play 3 tunes and be done with it. And then I'm gonna listen some more myself and decide if this is worth pursuing or it was just fun. And I'll probably try the other method, like making a tall version instead of wide, because that looks probably better, but I think this performs probably better. But well, cannot have all. Okay, let's play tune. It's a live performance, and it's short.
No, I won't say so. Play your silly song. Blues sounds better without you. Violent like salsa, shooting like a cannonball, racing like a gun in my face. As sober as a sofa, invisible like Korean cards remaining in my veins. No fine days stranger than Tulsa, prouder than America, cooler than Berlin in July. You know I never knew you, so do my running shoes, messing with my veins. No fine days ahead. We reign in the zoo. Sail on 31. Blue sounds better without you. Can't do without you. But guess who's gonna do no good? Forget the righteous, not these outrageous things we said. You filled my days with nightmares. Now the nights are filled with pain. Everything we ever said will never sound the same. No fine days ahead. We reign in the zoo. Sail on 31. Blue sounds better without you. No fine days ahead. No, I won't say no. Play your silly song. Blue sounds better without you. Better without you.
No, we're not gonna play this song. It's one of those that is used in multiple demo thingies, but there is much too much top end. It's not in balance at all. But it's a typical show of how revealing something can sound. But it's not actually revealing, it's just, you know, a lot of top end. And I can assure you it will sound bright on these. So I don't know. Anyhow, see you later. Bye bye.